Well, it's the morning of Diwali and it is already bad news. The air that you are breathing, the quality is very poor at this point. The AQI levels have hit 300 and in some of the stations like Anand Vihar, the AQI has hit 400 this morning. And we understand that the Commission for Air Quality Management has kicked in the graded response action plan, which are essentially the anti-pollution measures stage 2 since last evening. And right behind me you can see the visuals of the Akshardham. Every year we come here to show you the visible difference, when in the month of October, November, as we enter the winter season, you can see this grey skies, this thin layer of smog that engulfs the Akshardham temple. And from this very flyover we report this almost every year, how the visual is so stark, and yet it is the same story every year. And this time around we know that as part of the graded response action plan, several dust mitigation processes have been taken into consideration, be it the daily mechanical sweeping, water sprinklers, and just to reduce as much dust production as possible near the construction sites. And also it is about the people living in this city. They should be indoors, they should use more of public transport, because we understand it is not just the firecrackers that you will be burning this festive season that contributes to the air pollution. It is also the traffic congestion, the stubble burning, and the dust pollution that contributes to this cocktail mix of smog which starts to engulf in the sky. But for today we know AQI has already hit 300 and today is the morning of Diwali. We will have to wait and see how the Delhi government amps up the anti-pollution curbs and ensures that the GRAP 2 gets implemented to the T, so that the pollution can be controlled this time around. With camera person Ritik, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV Delhi.